In this tutorial, we will see that how you can chat with Facebook support team in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So here, we are in this facebook.com. To chat with Facebook support team, there are two methods. For the method one, on the right upper side, you will find your profile picture here. If you click on that, it will show you your all pages here. You can open any of the one. I'm opening this one. Then on the left side, you will find here these some of more options. Simply you need to scroll it down where you will see this Meta Business Suite. It will open up in new tab here. Then on the left side, you will find here this help button. Click on that and select again this help. It will open up this little window here on right side. If you scroll it down, you will find here this contact support. So the first method to contact Facebook team is by just clicking this contact support. The second method to contact Facebook team from your Facebook, open this messenger. Simply you need to type here Meta Support, where you will see these two options, Meta Pay Support or Meta Business Support. You can open the second one, Meta Business Support. You can open any of the one, like I will open this one. And if I send a text here, you can see I can chat with Facebook support team. So that's how you can chat with Facebook support team in just few easy steps.